So what is print on demand? That is a good question. The definition is this: it's selling products without buying any inventory up front. Now that might sound confusing because, how do you sell products if you don't have any inventory? Usually with other business models, you would buy the inventory, whatever product you want to sell, you'd have a whole bunch of it, you put it into a warehouse, and then basically you sell that inventory. Now we're talking more online, but the same applies for like brick and mortar stores too. So with print on demand, that's not how it works. You actually sell the product and then it's printed and shipped, but nothing is printed and shipped until somebody bought it. So basically, what you need to start is a design. You put that image onto a product, you have a sales page, somebody goes to that sales page, they buy it, then that product is printed and shipped. And that's what print on demand is because it's not printed until someone demands it. Think of it that way. So it means less money spent up front, which is a very, very good thing. And it means more money made for you, which is also a very good thing because you don't have that initial outlay. Like if you're doing something with Amazon FBA or something like that, you have to buy all that inventory and you have to get it to Amazon first. Not with this. This is totally different. And in my opinion, a much better way to do it. So you're wondering, like, but how, man? How do you do that? Well, you can use print on demand companies and there's two basic routes that you can take. The first one is you can have a store. So let's say you have a Shopify store. You could hook up that Shopify store to a print on demand company like Printful or Printify, and there's a whole slew of other companies out there that will attach to a Shopify store that you own, you control, you do everything with. That's fine. That's one route to do. There's also the other route where you don't need a store, which means companies like Redbubble, Gearbubble, Teespring, ShineOn, they will actually take your image, put it on a product, create the sales page, do all that stuff. It works very, very well. So you're probably thinking, well, no store seems pretty cool. How does that work? Well, it's called platforms. And platforms is just basically companies like Gearbubble where you can sell your print on demand products on them and then they will actually take the order, they'll print it, they'll ship it, and then they'll handle all the customer service for you. So they handle it all, except the marketing part. That part is up to you. So basically that means there's no sales page by you, they make it. You upload your image to their system, they'll create a nice little sales page for you, for your product. There's no orders handled by you. They actually take the payment, and then you can withdraw money from your account from them. They handle all that as well. And then there's no printing by you. They handle that too. So the other cool part is there's no shipping by you. So they handle it all. They do the printing, the shipping, everything else. One of the main benefits, though, is they handle the customer service too, because there's nothing worse than somebody buying a product from you and then 2 minutes later they're saying, "Oh man, where's my product? I just bought it." Or the next day, they think you're Amazon Prime. So these print-on-demand platforms, and the ones that I use especially, they work very, very well. So they handle all the heavy lifting. You don't have to have any inventory up front, and they handle the customer service. Now, does that sound awesome? It really is. I've been doing this for a long time. I've sold well over 7 figures on print-on-demand platforms. And if you want to learn more, visit that site in the bottom right. So it's ppc-coach.com. You'll see I've got a couple options for you. You can also join my free group. Go join it now. It's on Facebook. It's ppc-coach.com/group. That'll redirect you right to my Facebook group. And as well, subscribe to the channel. More is coming. And I will be handling a lot to do with print on demand. I've been in online marketing for a long, long time. And I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.